What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. Now, yes, I know you guys did not expect a video from me today, but here I am. Yes, I'm on holiday. Yes, I'm in London. Yes, I'm supposed to be chilling and relaxing, but instead, I'm in my bed making some money. Now, of course, I'm going to break down today how exactly I made $1,000 from my bed, and hopefully, going forward in the future, you guys can do the same. Now, as always, this video is purely for informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to say, if you guys do what I do, if you trade what I trade, you're going to make money. That is not the case. This is a trade that I calculated for a long time, and I did make money from it. It was a risky trade, which is why I only put $350 into it. But again, you're going to see what I did, how I did it, and hopefully you can learn something from this video. Now again, I only put $350 into it. I did not take out my life savings. I did not take out all the money in my bank account because I knew it was a risky trade. But I did make the trade and it did pay off. Sometimes it won't pay off, sometimes it will pay off. Sometimes you might think that I'm lucky. Sometimes you might think I've done my research and I've done well and I knew what I was doing. Doesn't matter either way. Let's dive into it and see exactly what I did. Now I am going to just voice over this and scroll through while I show you guys on screen exactly what I'm looking at while I talk about it. But yeah. So American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL, and I placed a trade on it last week, and market just opened 22 minutes ago, and a couple minutes ago we were actually up 7.52% on the day. But let me just quickly show you guys exactly what I've done and a bit where I'm sitting, what's going on right now. So as you can see, I had a $13 call on American Airlines, which means I needed it to hit $13.35 so I could break even. As you guys can see, the current price of the stock is $14.48, so we've gone way past break-even point, which is why you're going to see my crazy returns. So to start off with, I placed a $13 call for this Friday coming up, and I bought 10 contracts at 35 cents. So as I told you before, that's multiplied by 100, so $350 for my 10 contracts. Now, if you go back to the stock, you can see that I'm currently sitting at $1,530. So actually that means I'm up 337%. Funny enough, about 5 minutes ago, well not even 3 minutes ago, I was sitting at over 360% profit. So for those of you who don't understand what that means, I put in $350, I got a return of $1,200, and overall I am now holding $1,540. So funny enough, this stock I placed my call option on the 17th of November. Now is the 24th of November, so that was exactly 1 week. So I have quadrupled my money? No, it's even more than, it's about 350 times 4, 700. It's just under quadrupling my money with American Airlines. If I had opted out of the stock about a couple minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, I would have been even closer to quadrupling my money. But either way, with stocks, that's not the aim, to quadruple your money. The aim is to get a solid return, and with this stock, I've definitely done that. So I'm actually going to go and place a order to sell, so you guys can actually see what it looks like as well. So I would like to sell all 10 of my contracts, and my price point is actually going to be $1.62. So place that order, and it should go through in a second. Eventually. But I think I saw a message that Robinhood is experiencing a high number of trades right now, a high level of trades. So yeah, we're just going to have to wait a little bit, which is the problem with Robinhood, by the way. If you use Robinhood, you do get situations like this where you're trying to make money, you're trying to exit out of a stock, or just take your money and leave, and you get this kind of thing going on purely because of high traffic, which obviously is very annoying. So yeah, as you can see, we're just waiting now. I don't even know if it's gonna go through. So unfortunately it didn't go through, but I'm gonna try again. Just check what's going on with the stock. Yeah, up 345% right now. But yeah, so try another order. Just to do something slightly different, I'm going to put it at 163. I don't think it will make a difference, but by the way, just so you understand, okay, there you go, it's been placed. But I've put an order of $1.63, so that means that once this hits $1.63, I will be cashing out. Sorry, my order will run through and I'll automatically have my money taken out and I'll leave with my profit. If this does happen within the next few minutes, then I'll show you guys. But if it doesn't happen, then you You guys know where I stand with my core option. But yeah, it is pretty nice return this. Either way, even if I take my money out right now, I'm coming back with, over 340% return, which is really nice. And of course, not easy, but you have to just pick the right stocks. This is the second time I've shown you guys when it comes to trading and making money. So I know you guys really enjoy that kind of thing. I do always say be extremely careful with these kind of things, because not every stock is going to be up 7% in the first half an hour of a trading day. But obviously today American Airlines is, which is good for me. And yeah, I know a lot of you guys asked also if I have a Discord chat or trading group. I do not, but I'm thinking of having one soon. But as you guys know, that's not my main focus for my YouTube channel, so that's the only reason why I don't have that going on right now. But yeah, honestly, there's definitely a lot of money to be made with core options and put options, but you have to be extremely careful and know what you're doing. Okay guys, so you can see my equity is now $644 because my order has been partially executed. So don't worry, I didn't lose money, but now there you go. You see that all my money came through. So I left with $1,630 after putting in $350. Some of you might say, oh, you could have left your money there longer, you could have taken more profit. Profit is profit at the end of the day. And when you're, almost quadrupling your money with a stock, you can't be too greedy. Greed has hurt me in the past, especially with American Airlines, so I'm not making the same mistake again. I'm definitely happy with what I've taken out, and, I've done my part. So again, just to clarify, this video is purely for two reasons. This video is made for two reasons. One, the first reason is to remind you guys that no matter where you are in the world, no matter what you're doing, you should be able to make money. You should be capable of making some money. And two, is to show you guys that even when I'm on holiday, even when I'm on vacation, even when I'm chilling, relaxing, I'm still making YouTube videos. I'm still finding a way to make a video. So yeah, don't expect a daily upload, all the time while I'm here. But do expect a few videos just like this, showing you guys what I'm doing with my day, showing you guys that I'm actually doing what I talk about. And hopefully, like I said, it's just open your eyes to exactly what kind of opportunities are out there. It's 2020. You can be literally anywhere and making some money. It's not always going to work, no matter what you do, e-commerce, trading, no matter whatever it is. But there are always possibilities. And when you take those possibilities, well then, you're on the right path to achieving your goals and dreams. As always, make sure you guys check out all those links in the description. We have a really important product. If I can advise you anything today, if I am advising you guys anything, is to go and purchase one of these, Time Gear watches. Go check out the links in the description. Also, there is a free stock for you guys through Robinhood. If you sign up through the link in the description, same with cryptocurrency, there's free Bitcoin for you. Added to that, we have a free guide to online business. We also have affiliate marketing there, so go check those out. As always, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Please let us hit 50 likes on this video. That would be amazing, 50 likes. Also, if you guys are new around here, hit that red button below. Subscribe to the channel. Don't be afraid, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Add to that, make sure you guys fill up that comment section as you guys always do. Let me know if you have any questions, let me know what you thought about the video. Just drop any comment you want in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll reply to it. Lastly, make sure to share these videos with your friends. Let's get them out to more people, open more people's eyes, and help out more people. Overall, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And I do hope the visuals are better, the audio is better, but we'll see. Apart from that, have a good day and make yourself some money. That's it for me today. I got money to making, you've got money to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.